Malanga.
Fede,
I'm so sorry.
Campes.
It's already planets how but I expect them from you.
No, I'm busy with other projects, so I'm not sure either what will come right. So I cannot promise people anything unless you must have something in hand before you promise to the people. You understand? So when you have something in hand, that's where now you promise the people. But you can't promise people something that you don't have. You understand? So that's the most important thing. So,
what do you have to be specific?
my thoughts, I've got a number of thoughts. So I'm dealing with number of issues. I help people in different ways. Like now, currently, I help people with their permits. I'm fixing these issues.
Permits. Oh.
Yeah, the immigration issues where people need to reside in South Africa properly. They need to have proper work permits. They need to have proper business permits. They need. So I'm more focused because we've got a problem where we find that there are a number of women who are unemployed from the other sectors where they say they are not being taken care in the clinic level, where they are not assisted as immigration. So what we do, we assist them. Yeah, so what we do, we help them to be able to get permit, proper passports, proper everything, so that they can start to cope with the realistic life in South Africa.
It's a process.
Yeah.
It's a job.
Yes.
Would it be done if you were in their country? Would you do whatever you're doing now?
No, I don't think we are thinking in the same level. South Africa is a different country. So in South Africa, we are doing
different in what way? It's a country.
Yeah, it's a different. It's country, but it's different in terms of its policies, its constitutions,
democracy.
Yeah, our constitution, democracy is. A number of countries has democracy, but the constitution are not the same. So constitution is what suits the people. So in South Africa, we've got a constitution that allows that it's for any citizen who's living in it. So as much as any person who stays in that particular country, you understand. So, but now there is immigration policies where the minister has illustrated a number of. We've got other people who wish their IDs have been blocked. Which some they've been properly because they're supposed to. Some they have. I encounter while I'm helping them. Someone is having a passport from whatever country, and then is also having an ID in South Africa. You see.
Isn't that going to cost money from South Africa?
No, it's not going to cost any money.
It won't cost anything.
Yeah.
So you're doing it
South
for free?
Africa. No, listen. South Africa has a system which we call it VFS. It's linked with the Department of Home Affairs. The system is linked. They do application. They pay. The services that the country is saving, it depends as to what type of a permit that someone is applying to. So it's not where there is nowhere the country is affected. Each state is helping our country for proper allocation of people, knowing the data, also their embassies to be able to understand that we've got so many foreign in this country.